I'm too hungry not to stop, you know?
Oh yeah, I get it.
And Cranland traffic for a dog inbound 36.
Dog, where you at?
Short final 36.
Wow, you made it.
There again?
You made it. Chicago is on downwind 36. How'd you get in? Did you go low the whole way?
I just came down through the hole.
Is that you, Paul?
Me.
Yeah, this is Captain Bill. I just passed over the car. Didn't look like I could get in.
Yeah, there's a big hole right to the southeast.
You can get in there now?
Yeah, there's a big hole right to the southeast.
All right, I'll try it again.
Okay. Yeah, just yeah, southeast, Bill. Oh, you get a good pocket spot anyway.
Well, yeah, it's impressive. Didn't I just see somebody turn a final?
Nah, he's right overhead.
Oh.
Hey, Jack, you out there?
Yeah, I'm still here.